Hello everyone, in this time we would like to explain to you about some tutorials by using Microsoft Word. But let me introduce our team first. The first one is Martina Cahya Pratiwi, and the second one is Aria Razika, and the third one Najla Atira Putri Anggoro. In this time, we would like to explain to you about those stuff. That is my table of contents that will be explained by Martina. And the second one is make invitation for FT meeting by using mail merge feature that will be explained by Aria. And the third one is make CV with template that will be explained by Najla. So without further ado, let's go to the first tutorial. Now I would like to do a tutorials of making table of contents. The first thing you need to do is open your Microsoft Word and choose the file that you want to make the table of contents of. And after that, you can go to the chapter 1 page and you can start by applying the heading style for the chapter 1. And for the chapter part, I will choose heading 1 like this. And as you can see, the format is changing, but it's okay. You can just adjust it like the previous one. And now the format is like the previous one. And after that, you can go to the format painter. So the function of the format painter is to copy the format that you have done for this step and you just paste it to the other step, to the next. So it will be like this. And as you can see, the chapter 2 have applied the heading 1. So you don't need to adjust for each step like the chapter 1, and it will be save a lot of time if you just like use format painter. And then you can go to the format painter again and do the same thing for the chapter 3 like this, and then format painter again. And for the chapter 4, format painter, and then chapter 5. And then after we have done for the chapter part, we can go to the first page again and do the same thing for the subchapter. Basically, the step is just the same with the chapter part, but the difference is we apply different heading. So I would like to apply heading 2 for this subchapter, and we need to adjust again. And then after we have adjust the subchapter, we can go to the format painter again to just copy the format and paste other for the other subchapter. It will be like this. So you don't need to repeat the adjustment step, and you can just like format painter and then go to the other subchapter and then format painter again, subchapter. Yeah, you can do this step until all of your subchapter is done. After you have applied the heading style for all of those chapter and subchapter part, we can start making the table of content. So we need to back to the table of content page. Before that, if you haven't done add the page number, you can go to the insert and choose page number and choose what you like from this. And then it will be like this. You add the page number, now we can make table of contents. So you need to go to the reference and choose the table of contents. And as you can see, it will provide you some of style of table of contents and you can choose one of them. And I would choose the automatic table 2. Then Ta-da! As you can see, our table of contents is ready. Well, that's all my tutorials of making table of contents. Thank you for your attention and hope it will help you. Thank you.
So, thank you, Martina. Alright, so right now I'm going to explain to you how to use mail merge in Microsoft Word, which is often used to create emails on format letter to multiple recipients. Using mail merge can easily customize the letters for each recipient. Mail merge is also used to create envelopes or labels in bulk. So the first step is in line. Microsoft Word, you can go to mailings. So do it. So here, yes. And then you click on Start Mail Merge. And then step by step mail merge is going to help you for this tutorial. So after you click on mail merge, you we have an option to select document type. We have letters, email messages, envelopes, labels, and directory. Uh, for this purpose, I'm going to use letters, but you can customize it for your own users. So then you can click on next starting document. So for the template, you can there is three options. There's this use the Word document, but that document only is blank. So you need to customize it with your operator. You want to use this option, and then you can start from a template. Start from a template. There in Microsoft Word there are many templates that you could use, and then start from existing document. I will choose this because I already have the template. Okay. So, so after you choose your template, you can press next. You will have three options to select the recipients. There is a using existing list from public contacts and type a new list. For this purpose, I'm going to type a new type of an existing list. So you can type a new list just like this. And you can type it yourself, the first name, the last name, the address, the city, state, zip code, and everything. Uh, so for this purpose, I'm going to be using an existing list. So this is my list for every for article. Next, what I do, let's say if you have already selected the list. Right, so there is an address field and a routine line. Now I can post it if we want to get into this. More items. So first let's use the address block. It's the address block to address. So here you have the recipient name, postal, and everything. The part there is any mistake like in this one. The address that block there and show the address. You can go to next fields which are used to correct right and then you can correct the mistake if the modifiers of the tested. For this example, the address is listed. Alright. Now the address is listed. And then there's a grid line. For grid line is for the start of uh, the lesson. So is for the people that have names, the grading line will be there, the names and the comma. But for the recipient that doesn't have names, the grading line will be there, zero and So, and then you can click OK. All right. So I think this is and then there is more items. This is the instrument field. You can use that is field insert or just field. So, if you have any it's place purpose I want to use it. So, and then after that, you can press next to give you the letters. Next. All right. So the letter has been completed. It is custom reliable to every recipient. The template is really the same, so there is nothing. So there's no variable, but for the recipient, as you can see here, they have different address and name, everything. And then after you ask, you can also make change for the edit recipient list, or you can exclude somebody from this list. And then you can press next to complete image. You have several options. You can print or edit individual images. For example, I need to edit this image like this, just this. All right, so the image is complete. You can print or edit individual. For example, print all. I will have 30 pages. All right, so that is my explanation on how to manage in Microsoft Word to my friend Najla. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Najla Putri and I would like to explain about how to make CV or curriculum vitae in Microsoft Word. So first I will open the Microsoft Word first. And then we can see it in the home page of the Microsoft Word and then click the more templates for choosing our template so that we don't need to make the CV manually. And there's so many choices of the templates in the resumes and cover letters for the CV. So like this, and I will choose blue-gray resume as my templates. So here is the template. There will be a section of the picture, so you can change it with our own picture. In the profile, usually in the profile, I fill it with my introduction, like a brief introduction of myself, and then contact, hobbies, education, work experience, and skills. This. So I use this template for my CV when I was applying to the staff of Mabakap event, and I will show you my CV. So here is my CV. So I put my own picture in here, and then for the profile, I fill it with like I am from Institut Teknologi 10 November, and then from Information System Department, and I also say that I am actively joining so many competition and committee in my high school. And I include my contact person, like my phone number, my email, my LinkedIn account, and then my ID line. And then I include my strengths and my weaknesses for the purpose of applying to the Maba Cup. And then Here is my personal data. I fill it with my name, my gender, my date of birth, and then my religion, my blood type, my address, and my citizenship. And then I also include my educational background, like in elementary school, my junior high school, and high school. And lastly is my experience in organization in high school. So that's the explanation from our group for Microsoft Word. Thank you.